Hi, this isn't really very difficult. You dump the chicken breasts into the pressure cooker, and then you cut up the onion and you put that in the pressure cooker. Big chunks is fine because, yeah, it's fine. And then the ginger I already peeled, so you just cut that into pieces too. And not my fingers, just the ginger. And then you put chicken broth. Oh, the hardest part, opening it. I put chicken broth. The goal is to try to cover it. Yeah, I think we're gonna have enough to cover it all the way. This is just one, whatever was on sale, chicken broth. That was the one that was on sale. And then you cover it by matching the two arrows like that. You close it and then you lock it. And that's it. You put it in for about 20 minutes, and while we're doing that, I'll soak the long rice with water. And this is the chicken long rice just soaking up the water. When you take the pressure cooker out of the microwave, if this is up, do not open it. You have to wait for it to go down. Okay, now that this pressure relief thing is down, we can open it. Always open it away from you because there's a lot of steam and hot that comes out. And then I use the scoop and drain and take it out. The cooked chicken is cooked. And then what we're gonna do is just shred it. See how good it's cooked? It's cooked really good. Okay, so we're gonna shred it. Okay, I should show you how easy it is to shred it. It's like cooked. You don't really need the knife. But that's how shredded it is, how cooked it is. And then we'll throw it in with the long rice. Okay, and we'll throw it in with the chicken long rice. I forgot to show you, this is the scoop and drain. So you can scoop stuff and it drains it. So that's the scoop and drain. So you put everything back into the pressure cooker, and then we're going to drain the water from the long rice and then put it in the pressure cooker. And we'll cook it for another, like, I'm gonna say 10 minutes. Might not need that long, but we'll try 10 minutes. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, again, don't open it when the pressure valve is up. Okay, so it's done. You open it away from us because it's hot. See how hot it is? Doesn't that look good? It's so good. And here's the ladle. You can just put it right into your bowl. If you have green onions, you can chop up green onions and put them in. Yeah, that's it. Shred it more. But chicken long rice is done, ready to eat. Thank you.